Welcome to Safe Postpartum Home Workouts.
It's important, but safety comes first. This guide offers simple bodyweight exercises new mothers can do at home to rebuild stamina and core strength. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting. Listen to your body and progress at a pace that feels right for you. Let's start your journey to a stronger, healthier you.
Gentle warm-up. Preparing your body.
Begin with a gentle warm-up to awaken your muscles and increase circulation. March in place, roll your shoulders, and do slow neck rotations for about 5 minutes. Gentle movements help reduce stiffness, prevent injury, and prepare your body for the exercises ahead. Warming up ensures your workout is comfortable and effective.
Rebuilding core strength, pelvic tilts and bridges.
Start with pelvic tilts and glute bridges to gently activate your core and lower back. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. For pelvic tilts, flatten your lower back against the floor by tightening abdominal muscles. For bridges, lift your hips to create a straight line from shoulders to knees. Repeat each move 10 to 15 times.
Boosting stamina, modified squats and wall push-ups.
Build stamina and strengthen your legs and arms with low-impact exercises. Stand with feet hip-width apart for body weight squats, sitting back as if into a chair. Use a wall for push-ups, keeping your body in a straight line. Aim for 10 to 12 repetitions of each. Focus on smooth, controlled movements and steady breathing.
Relax and recover, gentle stretches and breathing.
End your workout with gentle stretches and deep breathing to relax your muscles. Stretch your back, legs, and arms. Hold each stretch comfortably for 15 to 30 seconds. Finish with slow, deep breaths to help your body transition to a state of rest. Prioritizing recovery helps reduce soreness and supports overall well-being.